Hi everyone, I'm John Varghese from Leaders Institute. Along with me, Prince Pahal, Managing Director of Osis Group. Welcome to this video and just explain to us what is this migration pathways and job outcomes for us.
Sure. Thank you so much, John, for inviting me to Leaders Institute. It's such a beautiful facility here. I wanted to talk about the migration outcome or possibilities for you to make your career in the agriculture industry if this is something that you're interested in. With Leaders Institute, they have got very good programs in terms of Masters in Agribusiness, like MBA in Agribusiness or Masters in Agriculture Information Management, as well as they've got a bachelor's program as well. Because agriculture is one of the main leading sector in Australia, and there is a huge big time shortage in this industry. So a lot of people that I've seen recently are focusing towards IT, engineering, accounting, MBA and all of that. Not many people are focusing on agriculture sector, looking for the people to come into this industry. So the benefit of studying these courses, like as I mentioned about the courses available with Leaders Institute.